Dan Ushman here with TrendSpider, and in this video I'm going to walk you through a brand new experimental indicator that we've deployed into the platform, and we're going to start by going over the simple moving average because I think it's very important to understand the differences between our new percentile line indicator and the simple moving average that you're so familiar with. So let's jump in and take a look. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a simple moving average to my chart. I'm going to make it a 20 period moving average, and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, and I'm going to click apply. You'll notice this looks really familiar because we've all seen this as traders. This orange line here represents a 20 period average of the closing price, meaning it's a rolling average, and each time a new candle is created, the one at the very end of the 20 period range is dropped out of the average. This is what makes simple moving averages and other types of moving averages laggy, because they're always incorporating a number of past data points from previous candles in their calculation. This is also what makes them smooth and easy to see on a chart, and part of what makes moving average crosses and moving average slopes useful in trading. Now I'm going to go into the indicator editor again, and this time I'm going to add the percentile line indicator. And you'll notice when this is added, by default, it's going to make it a darker color. It's also going to set it to the 75th percentile. I'm going to change this to the 50th percentile. So now look, we have a simple moving average with a 20 period length, and we have a percentile line with a 20 period length and the percentile set to the 50th. Watch what happens when I click apply. You'll notice that these two lines are moving close to each other, but not exactly together. The percent line, which is the yellow line, the percentile line, reacts to price more quickly in some instances and more slowly in others, whereas the simple moving average simply follows price in a very smooth way. This is by design. Percentiles, when set to 50, will get you the median level. So this yellow line represents the mid price among a range of 20 candles on a rolling basis. It's not an average, it's the middle of the range. And this is where it gets interesting. So let's say we then go in here and we add a few more percentile lines to our chart. We'll make 1 to 50th, we'll make 1 to 0th, 1 to 100th, I don't know if 0th is a word, 1 to 75th, and 1 to 25th, and let's give them some colors that make them a little bit easier to see so that they're easier on your eyes, and let's add them to the chart. Now here we have something that gets interesting. The middle line is still the median. This is the median of the price action, the middle of it, right? Then you have the 25th and 75th percentile sandwiching it. These show you where the 25th and 75th percentiles are. And then you have the ranges, the 0 and the 100th percentile lines. This is a different way to take into account the movement of price, where instead of looking at the average, which is naturally going to be very laggy, you can look at the percentile, right, and get a sense for a range that price may be interested in trading within. We're not 100% sure how this is useful. We thought it was cool, and we thought that from a mathematical standpoint, it made a lot of sense to bring this type of indicator into TrendSpider. We wanted to build it, put it out there, and let you explore it and play with it and see what you can figure out with it. Hopefully it can add some edge. Keep in mind, this indicator works across the whole platform. It'll work in the market scanner, it'll work in the strategy tester, it'll work in smart checklists, and it'll work in alerts. We hope you enjoy this. We hope you find it interesting. And we hope this helps you become a better trader and to find a little more edge in the market. Please be sure to read the documentation about this indicator that we'll be releasing along with this video, because that will contain a lot more technical information about how it works and how it can be used. Thanks and have a good day.